I'm attorney Steve Boyd. I've been handling wrongful death claims in New York State for 20 years now. New York has the worst wrongful death law in the country. New York does not recognize that when someone dies, there is a great value to the person, the life itself. Other states do, but New York does not. New York State's wrongful death claims are limited mainly to two categories. The wrongful death itself is an economic claim. Who did the person who died support? What was the cost of that support? Now that can include a breadwinner who's bringing home paychecks week to week, but it's also the support and guidance that an older person gives a younger person during their lives. We will hire experts for every wrongful death claim to determine exactly what the economics are of the wrongful death, or the amount of money that it would cost if you could ever possibly replace someone. And we know you can't, but that's how New York's law works. Another category of what we call damages is conscious pain and suffering. In a conscious pain and suffering case, you take the moment that the person was injured and the moment that the person died, and you can make a claim for that estate for that period of time when they actually endured the suffering. Conscious pain and suffering cases are probably as typical as the economic claims in New York State. In order to establish either, you have to establish an estate. And to do that, we go to the surrogate's court for the county where the person who died lived. One difference between our firm and other firms is we go to the surrogate's court. We don't hire surrogate's court attorneys who will charge you an additional fee. We go to the surrogate's court to establish the estate for you, and then at the end of the case, the judge in the surrogate's court will determine where the money goes. We go to court for you for that too. There are lots of questions if you've been involved in the tragedy of a wrongful death case, and if you have, I invite you to call me. I'm Steve Boyd. You can reach me at 716-400-0000 or here on the web at steveboyd.com.